Welcome to 231 Fort York, Unit 817, our team's newest listing. So you're right on the cusp of the downtown core, not too close, so you still get the hustle and bustle, but you're also near the highway, so you can get out to the west end. So it's a great location, and this unit is beautiful. It's just been renovated, so you have a brand new kitchen, all new flooring, new appliances. So be the first to live in this nice, spacious, clean unit. Send me a message if you'd like to set up a showing.